In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off smart downloads on your Netflix account using your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you had allocated space for downloads, it means that YouTube will automatically download movies and TV shows whenever you are connected to Wi-Fi for you to watch that. However, if you don't want or you want to stop these smart downloads, it's pretty simple. Just head over to a Netflix account. And up here, you should be able to see your downloads. Here are my downloads. And this has just been downloaded or updated 3 minutes ago. However, I wish to put this off by turning off smart downloads. To turn off these smart downloads, head over to this ellipsis and then click App Settings and choose Smart Downloads under Downloads. And here you can see Download Next Episode. Go ahead and toggle this off. You're told here as you watch an episode of a series you have downloaded will get next episode for you and delete what you have finished. So if you want to turn off this feature, go ahead and toggle off this. And also you can go ahead and turn off these downloads for you. And under this tool will download a selection of movies and shows, so you always have something to watch. Downloading only happens on Wi-Fi. Go ahead and also turn off this. And now you'll have turned off smart downloads. It means movies and TV shows will not be automatically downloaded unless you go ahead and toggle on or turn on this option. So that's how you can turn off automatic downloads on Netflix using your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.